Hey everybody, and welcome to day number 22 of the Newton Mudroom project. So we're over here on the shed side of the Newton Mudroom, and we've got all of our insulation in. So we've got our brown paper facing in on the outside wall, and then this is the between the wall here, and so the brown paper is actually facing on the inside of the mudroom side. And then this is a vapor barrier, so this is really important to kind of maintain that. And anywhere that we do have any cracks or creases, we do put that brown paper tape up there, and that's special for this. It sticks and it just keeps our membrane nice and solid, so we don't have to worry about any moisture buildup. So we've gotten everything so far done in here. We did run out of staples and we ran out of paper, so we've got maybe a quarter of a wall left here to do. They did come and they did spray and they put on a termite solution. I guess it's termite ants. It's everything from here up, and I guess it's some sort of salt-based mixture that they put on there. And even though it looks a little wet, they said it's okay to button it up, and we don't have to worry about anything like moisture buildup or mold or mildew happening. So that was kind of what we're at today, and we got pretty far along. Now what we're going to do tonight is we've got our little thermostat here. And we want to make sure that we're between 50 and 60 when we lay the floor in. So as we're starting to insulate the whole thing up, we've got our two heaters here, and we're going to space them out on this side, and we're going to see how far or how high we can maintain the temperature versus the outside. Now, I know we've got this little section of wall here that still needs to be covered, but this is going to be a good test when we come in the morning to see what the temperature outside is versus what the temperature inside is. And that's going to really help me determine how well we're keeping our thermal temperature in here. And like I said, when we put our floor down, we want it to be between 50 and 60 degrees so that the thin set sets properly. Try saying that 5 times fast. Okay, so that's it. End of day 22. And yeah, so we're going to come back tomorrow. We're going to put this insulation in. And then we're going to call and get our insulation inspection. And what they're going to be looking for when they come in, they do an insulation inspection, is that we are maintaining, like I said, that paper. And any place that we do have a rip or a tear, we do have the paper tape up there just so that we're keeping our vapor barrier nice and true. So that's it, day 22. Check back tomorrow as we finish off our insulation, and then I really want to start laying out the floor. And we've got a very interesting layout we're going to do here for the floor, and a new product that I'm excited to use. So we'll see you then.